Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Slushy Soldier skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this skin, and to begin we're going to draw in his nose first. This is going to be one circle. It's going to be the carrot, and then for the very tip we're just going to add a little dot. And then from there we're going to draw in his eyes, so just go off to the side here and draw in a little egg shape. And then go to the other side and draw in the same egg shape but slightly bigger. And then I'm going to add in 2 circles inside. Those are going to be my highlights. And now let me just shade in so you can see the eyes a little bit better. Alright, so then from there we're going to draw in his mouth. So just one big smile all the way across. And then from there, for his teeth, in the middle, just draw 2 lines. And then we're going to draw, this is going to be one of his teeth, so just come across and just go up. And then we'll draw another one there. And then go back to this side. And then this one's going to be slightly smaller. Alright, so that's his features, and then to draw in his head, it's just basically a circle. So sometimes it's a little bit easier to draw in just like a bracket first. Both sides, and then from there we're just gonna curve it and close it out. And hopefully it'll look like a circle. Okay, and then from there let's draw in his little hat. So just come off to the corner here on the side. Draw one line, same curvature, and then from there just kind of tuck it behind the head. And then to finish off his hat, just gonna curve it out and then close it off with a slight curve. And then now for the decorations, we're just gonna draw in 2 circles. And then for the leaf, just come out, angle. And here we're just gonna draw same kind of angle but smaller, where you guys can see that. So that's the head, and let's move on down to his body. So he's got his turtleneck here. Just draw 2 lines coming down, and then 1 curve going across, same curve as that. And then from here, we're going to draw his shoulders going out. And then we're going to pinch it all the way down to his waist. Close it off, and then for the 2 belts, one bigger one, and 1 smaller one on the bottom. And let's just add in the buckle detail here. And it's got a little one little snowflake inside. Smaller buckle on the bottom and just 2 lines. And we can add in some loops. Belt loops, and then even on the top we'll just add in 1 on each side. Alright, so let's finish up the details inside. So he's got 1 big belt here, so we're going to start on the corner. Come down here, and then come across here, just drawing the same curve all the way down. And I know he's got some a lot of carrots in between, so I'm just going to simplify and draw 3. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, so just draw in 3 bars. Okay, and let's just start on this one. So I'm going to draw in a carrot. So it's going to come out. And then here's the pointy part. So that's 1. Let's go up, flare out slightly, and then a little, I guess that's the green area. Okay, 1 more. Alright, and then to finish it off, it's got a little belt here. Start here and just go out. And this part is kind of hidden here, so we're going to start down here and just kind of go out. And we can add in a little buckle detail. Alright, so I know there's a little sweater, little details, but we'll do that later after we draw in his arms. Alright, so go to this armpit here. One line. Shoulder coming down. Little bracket. And we can actually just close that off since we need that line on the detail for his sweater. And then lower arm, flare out. This one curves in, this one goes almost straight down. Close it off and just add in one section for the glove. For his fist, come down with a little hook, back of the fist, curve and just close it. And let's add in one little detail here. And then we can add in some lines. Alright, and the same thing on the other side. So armpit, come across, shoulder, bracket, close that off. Same thing here, flare out, curve, and this one's almost straight down. Close it. One section. Fist, little hook, back of the fist, curve and close. And same detail, two lines. Okay, and then for the, let's add in the sweater details later. Let's just keep going with his body first. Okay, so in the middle, line, go back to the middle, another line. Start here on the side, come down, and then just close it off. And let's add in a square. Same thing on the other side, so come out, come back to the middle, off to the side, angle, close, and same thing here. Okay, so let's see. Let's finish up his legs. So lower leg, flare out, pinch it in and close it. Extend the line and just add one rectangle. And then we're gonna go out, curve. This one curves out more. Close it off and then we'll extend it. Just gonna slant it out slightly for the tracks. A little bit of detail. And then let's just go ahead and add in two lines all the way down. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Flare out. Extend one section. Curve. This one goes out more. Close it. Extend the line. And it's got a couple of straps here, so I'm going to draw one strap and another strap at a slightly different angle. And then same detail here, two lines. Let's go all the way down behind the straps. Alright, and he's got two little straps here, so this one's easy. And then he's got a little, I don't know, looks like a holster with a carrot in there. So he's just gonna draw in a little angle like that. And then looks like a little handle. Okay, and then let's see, he's got a little, looks like a snowman kind of grenade. So we're just gonna draw in a circle. And then in the middle here, that's just the nose. And then again, smile. And we're seeing it from the side. So here's just a little angle for the eyes. And then for the little hook here, so just draw a little angle, close it off. Alright, so that's the lower body, and let's go back up here and add in those little details on his sweater. So we don't want to add too much stuff because there's a lot of little details, so we're going to simplify it. So we're going to come back up here in the middle, just drawing a V shape, and then from this V shape we're just going to repeat it until we reach the sides. Okay, and then here, shoulder, come across, and then again we're going to draw in a V shape right in the middle, and then just kind of zigzag it all the way out again. Okay, so just divide that, V shape in the middle, and then just go out. And then same thing here, this one's going to be reversed, so we're just going to draw a little peak and then go out. So right here, and then go out. And then this part's a little bit tricky because it's behind the belt here. But I'm just gonna draw one line across. Okay, just make sure you go behind the stuff. And then I'm just gonna start here. Just gonna angle it all the way across. We probably can't see most of it. Okay, and then maybe one more down here. So I'm just gonna draw one line across. And again, V shape in the middle. And here we're gonna draw, just go all the way out. And that is it for this Slushy Soldier skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.